In this tutorial, I'll show you how to write Markdown in Notion. Using Markdown shortcuts makes it faster to format text and create organized pages without constantly using the toolbar. Let's get started. Notion supports many common Markdown shortcuts. As you type, Notion automatically converts them into formatted content. To create headings, type 1# followed by a space for heading 1, 2 hashes for heading 2 or 3 hashes for heading 3. For bold text, type 2 asterisks before and after your text. For italic text, use a single asterisk on each side. To add strike through, place 2 tildes before and after the text. To create a bulleted list, start a line with a dash, an asterisk, or a plus sign followed by a space. For a numbered list, type a number followed by a period and a space. To create a checklist, type an opening square bracket, a space, and a closing square bracket at the beginning of a line. Press the space bar and Notion will convert it into a to-do checkbox. To add a code block, type the greater than symbol followed by a space. For a code block, type 3 backticks and press enter. You can also paste Markdown content from another editor into Notion. Most headings, lists, checkboxes, and basic formatting will be converted automatically. For blocks that aren't supported by Markdown, type a / to open the block menu and insert tables, databases, callouts, images, and other Notion blocks. That's how to write Markdown in Notion. Thanks for watching.